today I'm going to talk about the Ergobaby Metro. The Ergobaby Metro is a compact, ultra lightweight stroller. It's only 6.3 kilograms and it's suitable for 6 months plus, with the option to make it for a newborn baby with a newborn baby kit, which is sold separately. This stroller has a very comfortable plush padding, which is really easy to remove, to wash. It has this adjustable leg rest, which it makes it really comfortable for the baby, and it has a completely reclinable back rest with a meshy panel at the back, which it can be covered with a fabric that it comes in this little pocket. The Ergobaby Metro has a very solid suspension. It comes with rubber tires at the back and a very decent storage basket. It has this sun canopy, which is 50 SPF, and it comes with a little peekaboo window. The Ergobaby Metro can be folded in with one hand, and it's just like this.